rented in our garage, and got a great one for you today. You already kind of know what this video is about if you follow me on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, Extreme Daily Drivers at Instagram, make sure you go ahead and sub, because I'm always posting stuff on Instagram that doesn't always make it to the video. Anyway, so as you guys know, a couple weeks ago I went to the Dyno. And the car did great, did 137 and 152 foot-pounds of torque. And the biggest shortcoming that the tuner told me was the exhaust. He said it was too restrictive. So we're gonna fix that today. And what we got here. So what I got here is a mandrel bent tube set from TruBendz on eBay. It is $150 shipped. TruBendz is a company in Miami, and what they will do is they will make you an exhaust system. As you can see, I don't know if you can see in there, but anyway, the pipes are all wrapped. They are 2.5. I'm going from 2.25 to 2.5. So what's on the car right now is a TruBendz mandrel bent piping system. It's 2.25. It starts with a real small cat that I got off Amazon, and then through the system there is a vibrant resonator, and then there's an eBay muffler at the end. So all we're gonna do now is we're gonna straight pipe this 2.5-inch tubing, and then we're gonna go to this vibrant muffler that I got for Christmas, and happens to be 2.5 inlet. So this should definitely free up a lot of horsepower that's being restricted right now on the car. So that's what we're gonna do today. So let's get the stuff in the car and let's head to the muffler shop. One last thing that I should mention is that the system that's on the car right now is gonna be removed and chopped into sections so I can actually get it to my storage unit, but it will be for sale. So if you live in Florida and you need a catback system for your 88 to 91 Honda Prelude, hit me up, either DM me on Instagram, Extreme Daily Drivers again, or you can go ahead and just comment below this video. So we are on our way to Smitty's Muffler in Middleburg, Florida. They are the guys who did the exhaust system last year. They are really redneck. And the place looks like it's been hit by like 6 hurricanes. It's like really run down. It's in the middle of nowhere, but they do a really good job, and they're really reasonable. So the thing that sucks about them is that you can't make an appointment. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. But yeah, you can't make an appointment, so you just kind of show up and hope that there isn't like a big line. You never want to go there on a Saturday. It's their busiest day. Sometimes they have people like wrapped around the block. So today's a Thursday. Hopefully there won't be anybody there. This is going to be a part 1 of several videos trying to get more power out of this V21 engine. So the first step is going to be exhaust, and there'll be a number of videos afterwards, basically maxing out this engine while keeping it naturally aspirated. Obviously you go turbo, you're gonna get a lot more horsepower out of it. My goal for this is to be able to hit 160 at the wheels on a dyno, so I think it's totally doable. I've already collected some parts to help get me there, but that's what's coming up. So there's gonna be a lot of changes with the car, hopefully in this coming year, and hopefully sooner rather than later. It's actually not a money issue, which is really rare, but it's more of I need other people to kind of work with me to get the car where I want it, and they're busy too, so they have their own timelines, and I have to be able to fit the car into their timeline. So I got to be patient, but you know, the car should really be pretty badass by the end of the year. Hopefully make a lot of car shows and stuff like that coming up. So anyway, be on the lookout for that. And as far as how's it sound, I think it sounds pretty good. It's not much of a change compared to what it was. It's definitely a little bit more angry B than it was before, that's for sure, especially in the higher RPMs, but I'm happy with it. This change was not a change for sound improvement or a quieter improvement or to meet California laws or anything like that. This was strictly a performance change. And as to whether or not it has made a performance change, I definitely think it has. The reason I say that is because when this car got tuned and it came back with all that torque, 152 foot-pounds of torque, it was really torquey. It was crazy, like torque steer. First and second gear was really snappy. And now since the exhaust has been changed out, I got a couple 100 miles on it, and it is not nearly as torquey as it was. It's still torquey, but not nearly as much of it was. And it does seem like there's more of a mid-range improvement in power, but that really is just my butt dyno. This car is going back on the dyno in a couple weeks, and we're going to figure out if these improvements that I'll be making actually made an improvement. So stay tuned for that. Drop the camera there, but anyway, it's just way too much torque for this little GoPro. You can get a good idea of what it sounds like there. Like I said, I'm really happy with it. Comment below if you think it's obnoxious or if you're surprised as good as it sounds or whatever. But anyway, I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Hey, I'll tell you real quick how much it all cost. The muffler that I got off Amazon, and I'll put it in the description. It's a Vibrant muffler, twin tip, 2.5 inlet. I think it was $120. The catback piping that I got from TruBendz was $150 shipped, and to have it all installed was $75. I gave them $100 because it's $75 is ridiculously cheap to have this thing all welded up. They did a really good job, like they always do over there at Smitty's. Smitty's in Middleburg. That's the name of the exhaust shop. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. The exhaust is for sale. Hit me up on DM on Instagram, or you can go ahead and comment below, and I can get in touch with you, send me your email address or something like that. You can email me, extremedailyDrivers@gmail.com. But anyway, have a great day, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.